That is strong. Hello, welcome back to Vlogmas, and it is day 7 here on A Wanderlust for Life. I'm Jessica. If you're new here, hello and welcome. It's great to have you here, great to see you. Let me know in the comments down below how you found me, because I'm always curious. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more Vlogmas videos. But thank you so much for joining us. I am doing something super fun today. I'm going to be making some festive cocktails. I asked on Instagram what you guys would like to see, and that was one of them. If you're not following on Instagram, I will leave the handle up here, but it's just A Wanderlust for Life, and then you can join in on some of the polls too. So what are we making today? So I'm making 4 cocktails. Most are vodka based. That was an accident. I just like vodka, and I guess that's how it happened. But we are making something called the Santa CLAUSMOPOLITAN. But you can guess what that might look like. A white Christmas martini. Sounds good. The grasshopper, which you may have already seen in Vlogmas. Go back and watch, see if you can see it. And then an apple cinnamon mule. That is my new favorite thing in the world. These are all great cocktails, and I can't wait to share them with you. So let's get into it. First step, the Santa CLAUSMOPOLITAN, is to rim with lemon juice and put it in sugar. Then we'll set the glass aside and get our shaker ready. We have ice, lemon juice, filled this with vodka, tulip vodka, ½ ounce of triple sec, 3 ounces of cranberry juice. I'm using cranberry apple. Now we give it a shake. Now we strain. How beautiful is that? Not super red, but still very beautiful. Onto the white Christmas martini. We are first going to take our glass, put it in honey. Then we're gonna coat it in sugar. Look at that. Now we get our shaker, fill with ice, then put all the ingredients in. Now there's ice. We're gonna start with vodka, Dutch tulip vodka, white chocolate liqueur. I'm gonna use all of this. White creme de coco. And I'm using milk, but the recipe calls for half and half. Just use whatever you have. Now it's the best part, time to shake. Ready to pour? Let's do it. Ooh, beautiful. Ready to see what I was drinking yesterday? Let's do it. Now move the martini glass, get our shaker with ice, and pour in our ingredients. Our first one is going to be creme de menthe. Then this bowl's cacao white liqueur. And finally, milk, or half and half. Then it's time to shake. Pour this beautiful drink. Look at that. Our last one before we try everything is the apple cinnamon mule. So it goes in a special cup. I'm gonna put that aside for now. Use our shaker, do some apple cider or spiced apple juice. Vodka. And lime juice, fresh lime juice. And then we shake. All right, time to pour. Then you top it off with ginger beer. All right guys, you ready to join me for tasting all of these? Thanks for joining. By the way, if you like this video, I made a few other cocktail making videos. I will leave them in the description down below for you. And if you missed yesterday's, what are you doing? We made homemade eggnog. It was so good. So go back and check that video out. But we're gonna give all of these a taste test, and we'll start with the one that yesterday were probably, if you watched yesterday's video, you're like, what the heck was that? It was a grasshopper. So Gonna give it a taste test with you. It is so creamy. So we used milk and it calls for cream, but if you like it lighter, just use milk. I don't see any problem with that. But it tastes like an after 8 mint. It's so delicious and refreshing. So that's really an after dinner cocktail. The white one, so it had a lot of good stuff in there. I can't wait to try this. Oh, did you catch that I was trying to get all the Christmas colors? Red, white, green, and then the flavor of cinnamon? Not a color, but let's try the white one. Whew. Whew. That is strong. Okay. Whew. Okay, so that's super creamy, super chocolatey. It is very good if you like the stronger drinks. It reminds me actually a little bit of eggnog without the egg flavoring. Just maybe it's the consistency, the viscosity, but it is quite good. So far I'm liking this one the best. And I don't know if you caught it, but the Santa CLAUSMOPOLITAN is basically a cosmopolitan. I'm sure you figured that out. But there are different recipes, so let's see how this one goes. Ooh. Tiny bit tart, as I think it should be. After having the creaminess though, it's really wacky on the palate. But it is good. It's a good recipe for sure. I'm leaving all the recipes down below, by the way, so you can make all of these on your own. Our last one here is the apple cinnamon mule. I discovered this in Catania, Sicily, one of the islands of Italy, and we actually made a video of our favorite cocktail bars in that town, so I will link that down below and above. Don't miss it if you're curious. And I love apple cinnamon, so that's why I decided to make it. Yeah. I could just see me like sitting in a chair talking to friends, just That is absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Down in the comments below, let me know which cocktail here you would like to try most, or if you're not sure, just let me know what your favorite cocktail is. I'd love to hear from you. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.